Dermal fillers, the costs. In this video, we're diving into a topic that everyone considering dermal fillers eventually encounters, the costs. Understanding how much you might invest in fillers is crucial for planning your cosmetic journey. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down the factors that influence the cost of fillers, what you can expect to pay, and how to ensure you get the best value for your money. Let's get started and demystify the cost associated with dermal fillers. Number 1. Types of fillers and their costs. First off, it's important to know that not all fillers are created equal. The cost can vary significantly depending on the type of filler used. Hyaluronic acid fillers like Juvederm and Restylane typically range from $600 to $1,000 per syringe. More robust fillers, such as those made from calcium hydroxylapatite or polyalactic acid, may cost more, often up to $1,600 per treatment due to their longer lasting effects. Number 2. Area of treatment. The area of your face being treated also plays a big role in determining cost. Filling under eye hollows or fine lines around the lips may require less product compared to larger areas like cheeks or jawline. More product means higher costs, so it's essential to discuss your specific needs during the consultation. Number 3. Geographic location. Where you get your fillers done can affect the price as well. Typically, the cost for highly trained medical experts located in larger metropolitan areas will be slightly more premium compared to those in smaller towns. Number 4. Practitioner's expertise. The expertise and qualifications of the practitioner also factor into the cost. Highly skilled and reputable providers will often charge more for their services, but remember, investing in an experienced injector is crucial for safe and aesthetically pleasing results. Number 5. The number of syringes. Most often, the total cost of fillers is calculated by the number of syringes used. During your consultation, our doctors will always provide you with an estimate of how many syringes will be needed for your desired outcomes. Number 6. Maintenance and longevity. Don't forget to consider the maintenance cost. Fillers are not a one-time cost. Maintaining your results will require periodic touch-ups. The longevity of filler varies. Some last 6 months, while others can last up to 2 years. Planning for future treatments is an essential part of the financial equation. Knowing these factors can help you budget for and understand the costs associated with dermal fillers. Always ensure to consult with a well-qualified professional who can provide a detailed breakdown based on your specific facial anatomy and aesthetic goals. Investing in fillers is an investment in yourself, and we're here to help you make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell to receive educational updates like this. For personalized care and tailored treatment plans, book a consultation today with one of our experienced professionals at Sparrow MD.